An industry leader in Denmark said that it's clear for everyone to see how far China has come in its green transition.
I think it's clear for everyone to see that how far China has come in its green transition already, in its sustainable development. When I moved to China 25 years ago, China had not come very far. Today, there's a blue sky, there's cleaner water, there's many improvements. That also relates to other industries in the manufacturing sector at large. Since China is a major supplier in almost every industry in the world, there are companies from every country in the world that are purchasing many products in China. If China improves sustainability and green transition, then it will also have an impact on the products that they're selling to the rest of the world. If the products are more sustainable, more green, then our economy becomes more green.